life safety equipment collection video, including firearms. Well, mostly just firearm collection video, so let's get started. First off, we're going to start off with my biggest piece in my collection, except for my Wheelock Safe Path cabinet, is my notifier, NFC-50/100 First Command firearm voice evac panel. It is missing the main board, and I don't know if it functions beyond having no main board, so currently it is untested. Next, we got my 3 Wheelock ET-1010 speakers. These are the either newer variants or older variants, because this one is a different serial number. That one's 114 and this one's 911, and that one's also 911. Yeah, they all work. I tested it with my Deborah 300, which I'll demonstrate.
1.3. Rappahannock River at Remington, 2.8.
Which is pretty cool. Next, we got my notifier smoke and heat detector. I'm not going over the model number because it's just annoying, but there's a model number for you guys. FSP something something. Next, we got my notifier relay module. There's the model number. Then we got my Radio XD434 and my Wheelock Bell Strobe, which is the longest model number ever. So, yeah. Also, thank you. I'm going to do a shout out to my local fire department for letting me take all this stuff from their dumpster. Shout outs to them for giving me all this stuff. And that's a marine warning. Yoy. That better not go over. Yep, it did.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia will issue a special marine warning for entitled Indian until 1:30 p.m. and 12:22 p.m.
Seriously.
It's 15 knots. Hazard.
Seriously, in the middle of my collection video.
Source. Radar indicated. Impact. Motors and small craft are being thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Fort Washington, Temple Basin, Reagan National Airport, Woodrow Wilson Bridge, National Harbor, and Alexandria. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for.
Yeah, well, that's a blooper. I guess I'm gonna include that into the frickin' video, because why not? But anywho, before my interruption, I would like to shout out my local fire department for letting me take all this stuff, with permission, by the way. They're super nice. They really didn't care, actually. They just were like, yeah, it's free game, so go right ahead. One of them actually was going to join me, but I left before he could, so was going to join me in dumpster diving because of the cool stuff that I found. But that did not happen, sadly, but whatever. So yeah, thank you, local fire department. I'm not revealing where they are, because I don't want to reveal where I am. But I appreciate it very much. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Please hit the like button and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Peace.